What are you doing? Hey, can you put those away? Cooper, put them back. Put them back, please. Keep going. Put it back. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, leave them in there. Can you put it away? Cooper, put it away. One, 2. All right, now can you please shut the door? Cooper, can you please shut the door? Do you want that? I'll open it if you shut the door. His bribery does not work. Can you say hi to Daddy? Can you say, I miss you, Daddy? Cooper, can you tell Daddy, say, I love you, Daddy? Say, Daddy, I love you.